Om Swastiastu. Nangun Satkerti Loka Bali, pola pembangunan semesta berencana menuju Bali era baru. Hello everyone, welcome back with me Dwi Pebriyanti in today's English class. How are you today? Hopefully we are all having a great and wonderful day. Today we are going to talk about a very interesting topic. What is it about? Yes, it is about adjectives. Well, before we discuss more about what adjectives are, let's pay attention to the following illustration. How do you illustrate this cat? It's fat. It's cute. It is orange. Fat, cute, and orange are examples of adjectives. Therefore, adjective can be defined as words that describe, identify, modify, or quantify nouns as well as pronouns. They provide further information about people or things, indicating their size, shape, color, and many more. Adjectives also answer questions like which one, how many, whose, and what kind. Because adjectives are used to identify or quantify individual and unique things, they are usually positioned before noun or pronoun that they modify. You can see how adjectives are put before noun or pronoun in this example. It is an orange cat. The tall professor walks into my class. They live in a beautiful country. From the example, we can see that an orange, the tall, and a beautiful are examples of adjectives, and they are all put before nouns or pronouns. Well, adjectives can also act as complement. Complement completes sentence when the verb is to be. To be are, is, am, are, was, were. Not every complements are adjective, but some adjectives can be complements. For example, she is tall. All of my brothers are handsome. Tall and handsome are the example of adjectives that acts as the complements. Alright everyone, have you got a clear picture about what adjectives are? Good! So now we can move to the next part about the classification of adjectives. Well, adjectives can be classified into several categories. This classification will help us to use them for modifying as well as describing noun or pronoun appropriately. The first classification is adjective as determiner. The adjectives which are used as determiner consist of articles a, an, or the. The other one is number or amount, like some, many, or a kilo. Next is possessive adjective like his, your, our, or their. And the last one is demonstrative adjective like this, that, these, and those. Well, the second classification is adjective, which is based on observation or opinion. These are adjectives which use subjective measurement like beautiful, expensive, gorgeous, broken, delicious,
or ugly.
Third is the adjective used for identifying something based on their objective measurement, such as
Size like huge, teeny, small, and shape like square, circular, and round. Besides, there are also types of adjective used for denoting age, like old, young, or ancient. And then color, like black, red, and blue. Adjective for identifying origin, like Roman, English, Mongolian. And adjective for describing materials, like silk, silver, plastic, or wooden.
And the last classification of adjective is qualifier. What is qualifier? Qualifier is a noun or verb which act as adjective.
We can see the example in rocking chair, hunting in hunting cabin, or book in book cover.
Well, everyone, do you know that some sentences contain more than one adjectives? If this happens, adjectives are generally put in this order:
Determiner, observation, size, shape, age, color, origin, material, and the last one is qualifier.
Okay, everyone, so that was the end of our lesson today about adjective. What do you think? Do you have a better understanding about our topic today? Hopefully, what we have discussed today can be beneficial for deepen our knowledge in English, especially about adjective. Then, I'll see you in another occasion and bye-bye!